Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In this, the midweek natural gas report, natural gas prices are up. For the May contract, we're currently trading at 404.10, up 9 cents or over 2.25%. As you can see from the spot May contracts here on barchart.com, prices are holding above the daily pivot at 401.10. Our first resistance is at 408.80 and above that at 422 and a half. Our first support is 387.40, well below the market today. Prices continue to move on a nice upswing here. As you can see, prices were just kind of meandering to the side overnight, but now have started to move higher. And the RSI, or relative strength indicator, is indicating that there is some momentum to this move. So let's take a look at the front to back spreads to understand what's going on in the marketplace. Here we see the Jan versus May contract. As you can see, that spread is in. And that means that the front month, the May contract, is stronger than the January contract in the back, which also indicates that storage injections may be a little slow to start. And let's take a look at the Jan versus October spread. Again, we're believing that storage injections will be a little slow as we get into this early heat, and therefore we're going to be rushed to fill storage late in the season. And this is the Jan versus October spread. Currently down just a few ticks here, down 6 ticks right now, but it is looking firm, and it we'll see if we can go ahead and push this particular spread as wide as 110 over the next few weeks. So what's going on? We've got some early heat. And as you can see from this particular map, we've got 90-degree temperatures in parts of Texas and Florida. This early heat in April is a sign of the dry conditions you can see in Texas and also along the East Coast. So what's going on for the longer term weather? The 8 to 14-day temperature outlook is warm, and it continues to be warm for the West, which is undergoing a significant drought. Let's look at the long range temperature outlook anomaly maps. As you can see right now, it is a little warmer along the East Coast, as you can see. But then as we get into the next week of April, it is warmer across the western half of the country. Let's take a look at the 3 and 4 week outlook. As you can see, warm across the entire southern tier in that third week from April 16th through the 22nd. And then that warmer temperatures continue in the west. Our nuclear outages are currently running pretty strong at 18,830 megawatts. That is a little stronger than the averages and what we've seen in the last few years, but we'll continue to see this peak out early in April and then start to decline all the way through our low period of maintenance, which will be in July. Let's take a look at some of the stocks we're going to take a glance at here for natural gas. If this rally continues, these stocks are stocks that we want to keep on our watch list. They are CNX Resources Corporation, Comstock Resources, or CRK, Magnolia Oil and Gas, MGY, Murphy Oil Corporation, MUR, Northern Oil and Gas, NOG, and SM Energy, SM. And let's take a look at what we're looking for. In FinViz, what we do is screen for market cap between 2 and 10 billion. We want to see a float over 10%, a short float, that is, that hedge funds are holding a short position. This will give us fuel for an upside, as well as the natural gas strong prices for upside appreciation in these particular stocks. So let's take a look at the snapshot. As you can see for CNX, this is currently breaking out to the upside. Right now, it has plenty of room to run if we continue to get strong natural gas prices. As you can see, the peak was all the way back at $42. We're $10 below that. And CRK, this has a very high short float at over 26%. And that means that hedge funds, if this rally continues, will be forced to cover those positions on the upside. So that's rocket fuel. Let's right now currently trading around $20 and a half. That means that we're still below the high we saw back in early January at $22. Let's look at Magnolia Oil and Gas Corporation. This has production in Eagleford as well as South Texas. And this also has broken out to the upside, currently trading around $25 and change, but well below its recent high back early last fall, around $29. So again, has some room. Now, Murphy Oil and Gas is still in a downtrend, so be careful here. The current prices are currently trading around $28.40, but that is well below its highs back at $42 early last year. Same thing for Northern Oil and Gas, still in a downtrend at currently trading around $29 and a half, but well below its highs we saw last December, over $43 or near $44, excuse me. And SM Energy. This used to be called St. Mary's. Again, this is also in a well-defined downtrend at $29.35, but it continues to be well below its old high around $50 last year. So again, recapping, these are the stocks that we want to look at under finviz.com. Market cap between $2 billion and $10 billion and a high short float over 10%. Why? If natural gas prices continue to move higher over the summer, we'll look to see if prices really start to move strongly higher coming up for winter as we try to refill storage. And these stocks will have rocket fuel with that short open interest. So again, recapping here, currently the May contract is trading at 405.80, up 10.7 cents over 2.73%. So let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.